Mhm. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a small aquarium code using Scratch program. So let us start. This is the Scratch website, scratch.mit.edu. This is a free website and it is an open source for everyone who are interested in learning coding. Okay, so let us start with a small code today. We'll make a aquarium where the fishes will be moving here and there in the water. Okay, so before that, let us see what is coding. Coding is nothing but it is giving instructions to the computer. The way we give instructions to our pets, kids, the same way the computer also requires instructions to do its work. So the way it can understand the instructions is nothing but coding, because computer is a machine, as we all know. It won't understand our human language. So we are required to give instruction in a language in which it can understand. So this is nothing but programming or coding, giving the instructions to the computer. So this Scratch website is very user friendly, very easy, and even kids like you can easily make your own codes. So first of all, let us see what are there inside it. So here on the right side, you can see you have different options like join Scratch, sign in. So you just need to have a Google account so that you can create your own um, space here. Otherwise, you can join and create as well. So see, let us see from the beginning what we can do. So I'm just opening the home page of Scratch. So here you can join Scratch. If you are new to the Scratch, you can create your own account, or you can sign in if you have already a account. So let us, for now, I'm skipping these two options and I'm directly going to create option which is there beside the Scratch. And let us make a small aquarium today. Okay, so now let us close this, and you can see here there are three parts. The first part on the left side is called palette. Palette is nothing but you have different colors. You can see so many colorful things. You have events, controls, sensing, operators, variables, and blocks. So all these are nothing but the code which are present in the form of blocks. So we just have to drag and drop. We just don't need to write the code. Isn't it very interesting? Yes. In the middle part, you can see a big space. It is like your notebook where you can. Okay, in the middle space, you have a lot of space where you can put the blocks and you can arrange them in a meaningful way so that whatever you do here in the coding block, the right side, you can see a cat, which is called an object in the Scratch, or a character. So whatever we are writing the code, it will reflect on this area. So it is nothing but like your output, which you can see over here. So this is called sprite here. The character or the object on which we are going to write is called a sprite. Okay. So you can name the sprite, like you can write it as a cat or a fire, or whatever name you have for your cat, you can write. And you can increase the size, you can rotate, you can change the direction like this. You can increase the size, you can rotate by changing the direction. You see a clock is coming, you can just tilt it, you can see. direction is changed. Similarly, on the right side bottom, you can see two icons. One is choose a sprite. So not only you have a cat, you have lot of other sprites available in Sprite. And if you're not interested with that, you can upload a new sprite of your own choice. Okay. And this is surprise which randomly brings you a sprite. Okay. Or if you are good in painting, you can paint your own sprite, right? And this is for searching for the already available sprites in the Scratch library, right? Next, the same thing is for the backdrop. Here you have at the rightmost side a button where you have the different types of options available like upload, surprise, paint, choose a pattern. So let us for now, we start with our aquarium. So I'll just delete this cat and I'll take a fish because we're going to make a aquarium. So definitely we need fish. So I will just simply type here fish. Oh, so many fishes are there. So I will take the first one. Let us take this fish. Okay. Yes. Next, I will change the background. Background is plain white. I just don't want that. I want choose a background. I'll take which one I should take. Yes, this is a water bottle. So I have taken a backdrop, right? Now I can change the size of the water body. Fish. If you want another backdrop, you can go for another one also. I'll show you. You can see underwater. You can click on underwater. Yes, you can either take this or this. So let us take the first one. Right. So this part is done. But my fish is not moving. I want my fish to move, but it is not moving. There is a green color flag at the top. You can see above the stage. This area is called the stage. So above the stage, there is a green color but flag. So when I click it, nothing happens. So I think the fish is not understanding what we are saying. Yes, we need to write the code. We need to give instructions in the language which the computer understands. So let us do that. It is as simple as it is. So first of all, what I want whenever I'm clicking the green flag, my fish should move. So let us go to the palette and I'm clicking on events. What is the event? The event is when the green flag is clicked. I want my fish to move. So I'll go to the motion, right? And the very first option, move 10 steps. Now let us click on the green flag and see what happens actually. So when I'm clicking here, my fish is moving. Yes, the fish is moving, but every time whenever I'm clicking on it, it is just moving, but it is not moving on its own. So I want my fish to move all the time. So what can I do? Yeah, I can go to control. Yes. And I will pick up this block called forever. So I'll put this move 10 steps inside it, attached to the when green flag is clicked. And let us see what happens by clicking on the green. Oh, the fish is moving, but it has gone somewhere outside. So this should not happen. My fish has to be inside the fish pond. So what I will do is I will again go to motion and I will create some boundary for the fish that whenever it is touching the wall of the aquarium, it should come back. It should take a U-turn and it should come back. So this I can do like this using this option, if font edge bounce, right? Let us click and see. Oh, fantastic. Let us add some more features like the direction of the fish. I can change, okay, a little bit of direction I'm changing so that it will cover the entire stage. Wow, nice. Okay, the same way I can add one more fish. So I just need to copy this, duplicate, yes, and you can see the code is also duplicated. So when I click this, I will find two fishes moving here and there. But now I just don't want the same type of the fish. So I'll change the color of the second fish by clicking on the costumes at the top on the left side. Here you can see I have four options, out of which I can select any one. So I'm going to select the fourth one. Okay. So yes, I'm going to select the fourth one. Yes, I've done that. Coming back to the code. Yes. Now let us see again. Yes. My fishes are moving. Very good. But I want some sound. So let us go to sound and take this button, play sound until done. Let us see what happens. Oh, it's an ocean sound. I just don't want that. I'll take the bubble sound. Yes. Even if you don't want from these two options, you can record something and you can upload and you can add that to the code. Okay. I'll add the same thing to the second one also. Let us change again it to bubbles. Okay. And play. Oh, so let us add separately the sound. So I'll take whenever the green flag is clicked. Again, I will go to forever because I want the sound to be present all the time. Next, take this block, play sound, and I'm going to change this to bubbles. Now see, I'll stop it and then play. Yes, it's amazing. Even you can add some more features like you can go to looks, you can change the costumes, you can change the backdrop, you can change the size, you can change the color effect. You can add the color effect to the fish, okay? And you can see the difference. Okay, so friends, this is a very simple code which we have written today. Actually, we didn't write anything. We just placed the blocks one above the other and we got our aquarium done, right? So in the next videos, we'll be going into much more detail about the Scratch programming. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and very good day for you all. Bye-bye. Take care.